Hello everyone and welcome to QuickCAD, and today we will see how we can use multi-thickness setting in shell command in SolidWorks. Let's get started. First of all, I will create a part file. You can choose any plane. I will choose front plane, sketch. I will select center rectangle and draw a rectangle like this. 100, press tab key and 100. Enter. If you are not able to see this on-screen numeric input, just go to settings, go to sketch, and make sure these two options are activated. Click OK. Now I will go to feature, click on extruded boss base, and I want 200 as extruded boss base. I will click OK. Now I want uh, now I will click on shell, and I want this and this face to remove, and I want wall thickness as 10 mm. Click OK. Now if you see, the wall thickness is 10 mm for all the faces. But suppose now I want this face to be 20 mm wall thickness. So how we can do that? Just simply go to shell, edit feature, click on this window, and I want this face to be 20 mm. I will click on this face. I will enter, let's say 20 mm, and OK. Now as you see, this wall thickness is 20 mm. Now suppose I want this wall thickness as 30 mm. So again we can go to shell. I will go to this window and I will click on this face. I want this face to be 30 mm wall thickness. I will go here and click 30. Okay. Now we can check the wall thickness, and as you see, this become 30 mm. Now also I want this wall thickness to be 40 mm. Again we can go to shell and click on edit feature. Click on this window. I want this face to be 40 mm. And also if you click on this face number 3, this rectangle profile will be highlighted and it shows 20 mm as wall thickness. Suppose if you click on this face, it shows 30 mm wall thickness for this face. And if you click on this, it shows 40 mm wall thickness for this side. I will click OK, and as you see, the wall thickness become 40 mm. So I hope you are able to understand how we can use multi-thickness setting of shell command in SolidWorks. Thank you for watching the video.